Welcome to Madam English YouTube channel. In this video you will see how to write a report text. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel. Thank you.
Before we learn how to write a report text, we have to know the social function and the structures of the report text first. The social function of a report text is to inform and educate its audience about a specific topic or issue. Report texts are used to present information in an organized and objective manner, and they are often used in academic or professional settings. The structure of a report text typically includes the following components. 1. Introduction. This section provides an overview of the topic and states the purpose of the report. 2. Background information. This section provides context and background information about the topic, including any relevant historical or current events. 3. Methods. This section describes the research methods used to gather information for the report, including any data sources or research techniques used. 4. Results. This section presents the findings of the research, including any data or statistics. 5. Discussion. This section interprets the results and discusses their implications. It also includes any recommendations or suggestions for further research. 6. Conclusion. This section summarizes the main points of the report and reiterates the main conclusions or recommendations. When writing a report about cities, it is important to be specific about the city or cities you are discussing and to provide relevant information about their history, culture, economy, and infrastructure. Additionally, you should use reliable sources to gather information and present your findings in an objective and organized manner. Overall, report texts are a crucial tool for presenting information and research in an organized, objective, and informative manner. They are used in a wide range of fields and settings, and they help to educate and inform audiences on a variety of topics and issues. Here is the example of writing a report text. First, write the title. For example, the title is a study of urbanization in the United States. Secondly, write the introduction. Here is the example. This report aims to examine the trend of urbanization in the United States and its impact on the country's economy, culture, and environment. Third, write the background information. The example is: urbanization, the process of increasing population density in urban areas, has been a significant trend in the United States for over a century. The majority of the population now lives in urban areas, and this trend is expected to continue in the future. After that, write the methods. For example, the research for this report was conducted by analyzing data from the United States Census Bureau and various academic studies. Then, write the results. For example, the results of the analysis show that urbanization in the United States has led to an increase in economic productivity and cultural diversity. However, it has also led to issues such as pollution, traffic congestion, and a lack of affordable housing. Next, write the discussion. For example, the findings of this report suggest that urbanization in the United States has brought both positive and negative impacts. It is important for policymakers to address the negative effects of urbanization while promoting economic growth and cultural diversity. Finally, write the conclusion. For example, this report has demonstrated that urbanization in the United States has had a significant impact on the country's economy, culture, and environment. While there are challenges associated with urbanization, it is important to continue to promote its positive aspects while addressing the negative effects. And here is the result of the report text that we have written.